Okay. Back at Granny's. And that would make sense had I not had a story for you. We had a full day yesterday of different things. Sierra, you have to open the gate. Of fun activities that we done. Not really fun. I mean, it was actually a pretty boring vlog. But I had a full vlog and went to go upload it today, and I had deleted some of the footage, all of the footage. So here we are again.
He's stalling.
What do you have there?
Oh.
Cinderella? Let me just see. We have to vlog.
She picked one.
She picked one? You gave her an option?
Wow, she didn't see that. And then, what does the pop make you do?
And you do a burp now. That's what she always says. I'm burping. Okay, Mommy's gonna open this one. So I got more of the LOL dolls. We went to Toys R Us. This was the last one, and I had little girls looking in my cart. Maybe I should open this one.
Yeah.
I should open that one next. I'm gonna open this one first. This isn't gonna be like the whole video. I just wanted to see what we have.
Got sparkles. Uh-oh. I have you.
I feel like sometimes they open so well, and then...
You love her. She loves you too.
Oh my gosh.
You got sauce on her hair.
So the first time you do it, I already know, is stickers. It is... Oh, I was looking at it upside down. It is curtain call, little stickers. This one just comes with one ball.
I'm laughing.
Can you turn that down there?
More stickers. You can keep them. Did we have one of these at home already?
Yeah! Why is there so much unwrapping?
Because of those stickers. So I was telling you guys that I had lost all the footage from yesterday. So there will be no vlog today from yesterday. We're going to try to do a quick makeshift vlog now for yesterday. So here's all the packages it comes in. One of these things is just going to be the keychain for this.
It's a surprise!
Oh.
Surprise!
So this just, Lauren, just leave it.
There you go.
Sure, there you go.
Apathy.
Wow.
Look, so
Mommy's
this
gonna
now
open them.
turns into a keychain or a bag for the bag.
What is there?
I don't know. Mommy's
This-
gonna open them.
and I think all the accessories go for a big
In
one.
there? You see, Mom?
You think it's in there? I think a baby's in there. A little dog.
It isn't. Oh, cat.
Oh no! Look.
Oh, the baby.
Oh, she's got little braids in her hair.
Yeah, little French braids. Her name
The Dutch
is
braids.
Little Merbaby. Oh, she's like a little mermaid.
Mommy, look in there. It's a salty thing.
Oh my gosh! Oh, she's a mermaid.
It's a mermaid. What?
You're really excited about this.
What the heck? Oh.
Okay, now we're gonna go for the big guy. Again, there's just as many.
Are these sunglasses hers?
Yeah, but they go for this one.
Oh,
This one
I
just
see.
comes
You
with, like, an
accessories.
accessory.
Okay, got it.
That garbage can is really taking a beating. We are having a current windstorm.
What?
Come and get
I didn't throw it out. It was ants. So
Old
I wanted
house, old school. Yeah.
got it.
I throw the stickers away. She's already lost all of the accessories to the one that we opened in yesterday's video, which would have been Friday. She's already lost all of the accessories to the large dog.
So we put her inside?
Thanks, Lauren.
Get
That's why it
one
says
for 10.
it's not suitable for
Get
her
your baby.
age. I think it's this one. It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, this one's right. Oh gosh, these are the shoes.
You want to the hole in there?
If I get the
Open
same
it.
one, I'd be so mad.
No, the
You
hole.
open it. You did it.
It's a toy.
They're little like sandals.
Kind of neat how they did that.
I know. It reminds me of one of those.
I kept seeing them too when we were at Big Apple, and it kept saying like doll plus like 14 accessories or something. Like
I don't know
like,
if it's 14 accessories.
Well, whatever it is, yeah.
It says like 14 pieces. They count the stickers as pieces.
The apple's out of business.
We already know. So that's her little living room.
Told me. Wonder why.
And then this is all the
There's no way Simmons is doing better than them.
extra accessories. What the heck? I got so many accessories last time.
What's this? Does this become a carry thing too?
Yeah, but I got so many accessories I feel like last time.
You forgot that.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
What, Mommy, what?
Oh, her dress!
Oh, and you can put it on top of the wall.
What did you eat in your pizza? Mommy, give it on this one.
Okay, wait. Mommy opening it. Okay, moment of truth. Looks like she's got blonde hair. Red hair! Oh my god, she's like a Lucille Ball. I know my LOL dolls, okay? I knew I was missing something. And I was missing this piece
Necklace?
to resist stones. This made, oh, I didn't even open it. See? That's what happens. You gotta be careful. It's like the size of a fingernail. Her name is Jitterbug, and she's part of the Retro Club. I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. Let's go to Walmart. Yeah, we gotta get, but the thing is that they're really expensive. They're $14 each.
Daisy, get off her shoe.
Oh, they love sleeping on her shoe. Duke was sleeping on her shoe yesterday. You guys would have seen that had I not deleted all the footage. I'm a rookie. I am a rookie. This doesn't happen to professionals. Just gonna give up. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing. I didn't play.
Did you find it? Where's those pocket knives gone?
What is that thing?
Not play.
Should we do a review on it?
Hold on. I'll be right back. It's a moving hockey passer.
And should we do a review on it? Cody. So it looks like I'm not going home. We just hit our, like, very first hurricane.
Oh, can you close that? See, something, baby.
Inside.
Oh my god. I'm never leaving. What?
I'll go home.
I want to go home.
It's already, like, stopping.
It's
like a car wash. We are in a car wash. I hope my windows are all up. Did Cody put his windows down?
Hopefully not.
Granny? Can you check my car windows? No, kidding. Grady's next door.
The water.
Sarah, how do you feel about this?
I feel like someone should go run out there for good vlog content.
Alright. Get your boots on.
Oh, what's talking about me? I'll be inside.
Because you're elected. Oh.
So, Cody bought this, what is it called? A mini puck passer? Mini hockey puck passer or something? I'm not sure. What? What do you do? You got a stick? Oh. What happened there? She blocked it or something?
I did it!
Are you a hungry monster?
Yeah? Kind of like me.
Oh, you all done? I'll put the cap on.
Yeah, my mom says she's been
Here, hold that.
that storm.
Move your thumbs so they can see you. Tell them what you're doing. So you're going shopping for your little brother. And what are you gonna buy him? Wait. What are we buying?
Look at
Stay here.
Lauren, come here. But the bad.
Are these still summer?
I guess.
Oh no, here's long ones right here. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? That one's so cute.
Oh, little alien butt.
Thank you. Inside. Oh, get it right in. Boy, you're rough, girl.
Here. Put that one in.
You're a big helper.
Oh, God. Oh. Here, I help you. I'll hold it. You put it in. Good job. Here you go.
And more.
No more right now.
That's good.
Put
Here,
it in.
Lauren. I need this put in.
Okay.
Thank you. Just stay close by, okay? We need your services.
Okay.
This one's so soft.
I'll do that on to it. Mommy, this is
It is nice, aren't they?
Cute.
Oh, look at this.
There. Yes.
One handsome fella.
Saving power, but she's still texting you.
That one's nice, Christine.
Newborn? Or 0 to 3? Aw, look at this one.
Want me to put it down?
I think that one's 3 months.
So,
Yeah. No, Lauren.
Little brother she picked.
Should have been vlogging that. Were you?
Oh my God.
Yes, you were.
Oh.
She picked out her little brother.
Lauren, what are you doing?
I did for the one.
You picked out your little brother.
Now we have to buy it. Lauren picked it.
Look at that.
It's like, here, put it in.
You gotta just be careful here.
I turned that this.
You want to take off your sweater?
No. Take it off.
Here, I hold it. Do you like any other
I
shirts?
make it.
Oh, look at that.
Um,
Lauren,
Come here, I want to show you something.
pay attention.
Oh, look at those.
Okay, put them in these little slippers. Oh, those are so cute.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we are.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
Lauren, come here.
She can't get over. There's a bar there.
Aww. Oh my. We're home now. We went to Carter's. We got a couple of things for unnamed baby boy. I am just waiting for Sam. It is so windy outside. Trying to watch the news right now to see why my mom's power is out or how long it's going to last. She said that somebody else, her brother, so my Uncle Steve, had said that it was going to be out until tomorrow. I feel like they're usually really quick on those kind of things, so I don't know. Lauren, did you have fun today? Playing with Cody and your hockey?
Yeah. I know.
Cody, love you?
Yeah. Come together. Oh.
And did we go shopping to get your baby brother a couple of things?
Yeah.
Talked to my mom. Tomorrow is supposed to be really a nice day, but pretty cool. So we might go to the zoo. I just updated our memberships, so we have to go get those new cards. Look at that. Every other day is going to be beautiful except for Monday. It's still going to be nice tomorrow. It's just going to be a little bit cool. So I don't know. I think I will end the video here and maybe hold on to the stuff that we got today and do a little haul. I don't want to add in that haul that we got today. So I think I'll just save it for a future haul. But I have enough that I can probably do a haul within the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching. Bye.